If you are day trading as a beginner, this is about to bless you because these are the mistakes you want to avoid. Hey, what's good, y'all? I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset, where I'm documenting my wealth building journey as a new investor and trader. And it is a roller coaster. Okay, it is a roller coaster, bro. It's seriously a roller coaster. And these are some mistakes. I got some notes right here. If you are day trading as a beginner or as a developing day trader in these markets, in these volatile markets, I got some notes right here on some mistakes that I want you to truly avoid as we push towards profitability in 2025. This is my second year. I'm going into my second year of trading. And these are some notes and some pro tips that I definitely want to bless you with. All right. Number one is knowledge, man. Knowledge, bro. A true understanding of market structure. Do you truly understand how, when the market is selling, how usually it sells in waves and how usually it has to hit liquidity first? I got to take out those buy orders before it fills in those sell orders, before your move actually happens. Are you actually knowledgeable of market structure and how price moves and what you need to wait for in the confirmations of if it's bouncing off of EMA or if it's bouncing off a fair value gap, like the things that you have found to be true in the market? You really have to lock in on your knowledge, on your truths in the market, because you can be a 100% technical trader. I don't fool around with no I'm not watching news or caring about opening up what folders, red folders, orange folders, none of that. We ain't looking at no news whatsoever. Mostly because I trade on the higher time frames for my direction, and then I scale down to lower time frames. I ain't down on them 15 minutes and lower. I take my entries on 15 minutes, or at least I'm starting to. I've been taking my entries on the 1 minute. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But I think moving forward in 2025, I'm taking all my entries on the 15 minute only. So knowledge, number one of having that skill set of things you need to wait for, and just that knowledge in general, man, of knowing your truths in the market. And number two, I want to tap in on emotions, right? Being emotionally intelligent and managing your emotions in the market. So you got to understand that the market is ran by greed and fear, right? And everybody is trying to figure out what's the lowest price they can buy, what's the highest price they could sell, and vice versa, right? From the buyers and sellers that control the market. And by having knowledge, right, which we just discussed, you must also have a trading plan. And from having that trading plan, this will help you manage your emotions. Because when I first got in the market, y'all, I'm just pressing buy and sell. We just pressing buy and sell, hoping and wishing, right? Not really having a sound strategy in the market, nor being able to control emotions. Because now I wait for things. I wait for confirmations, which gives you more confidence. So you definitely have to control your emotions. I recently lost a prop firm account in profit because I couldn't control my emotions, right? I was pretty much guaranteed a payout, okay? And by me not knowing how to control my emotions, I blew my account. But yeah, emotions can be a huge killer. Even if you do have a strategy, you could be getting there early. You could be closing profitable trades way too soon, right? Without squeezing the maximum profit out of it. So definitely learn how to control your emotions. And the next one I want to tap into is risk management. I think it is wise to have a like a max loss amount, either per day or per trade. For an example, 3 losing trades, you're done for the day, right? Or 2 losing trades, you're done for the day. You may have, 1 win, 2 losses, right? And maybe that win will, help you get some of those losses back. But you got to have some type of risk management to where maybe you don't want to lose more than $100 a trade, right? Maybe you don't want to lose $100 a day, right? It's really about sustainability, right? Staying in the game long enough to catch those wins. But if you going too big with too many lots every trade, that ain't sustainable. That is not sustainable. I had to learn the hard way these past 2 weeks doing that myself, going way too hard, too many lots, not being able to survive the drawdown before the move happens. 15 minutes later, you wicked out of the trade and then the move goes in your favor. It's crazy. Risking per trade, right? $25 per trade or $75 per trade. Because one thing you don't want to do is just keep burning through money as you're still developing. You definitely want to be journaling. I haven't been journaling lately. I probably need to start back with that, and documenting your trades, right? Screenshotting your trades, reviewing your losses. There's so many lessons to learn in the L's. There are lessons in the L's. Trust me. You'll see so much insight and things that you could have done better, or things that you can do better the next time you trade. And back testing, demo trading. I was never really big on demo trading personally, but it does help. It does help you to manage your emotions and your risk. So these are things that you definitely want to put in place, because going too hard, too heavy, that'll definitely blow your account. And not having enough knowledge and not controlling your emotions. All right, definitely. And the last one I want to tap into is unrealistic expectations. Now, usually when we first find trading, when we first find this investment vehicle, which is amazing, we have unrealistic expectations, right? We're usually watching the guru or the person that is already successful, right? You can't compare your 1-year journey or your 2-year journey with somebody else's 8-year journey, right? It's levels to this. I promise it is, right? You don't know what that person did to get to where he or she is in their trading journey and their success. So make sure you have realistic expectations. I know when we first start, we want to be a millionaire within 8 months or within 1 year, right? Don't quit your job, bro. Do not quit your job. All right, have realistic expectations, because it's gonna take you a minute to really lock in on your strategy. Even if you found your strategy, you still may need to tweak it and tune it. I don't know, right? There's a big Amazon truck right here. But you may need to tweak and tune your strategy to get better optimal results, right? You may need to adjust your stop loss, right? You may need to wait for that engulfing candle to really take the trade, because I know I'll be getting in early. Sometimes I don't be having the best entries, right? I don't be having the best entries. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm pretty good at managing my trades, right? And these are things that you gotta tweak and master, and understand that it's a probability game, right? Take 20 trades. If those 20 trades aren't the results that you want, if you didn't win a good percentage of those, go back to the drawing board, right? And don't necessarily keep trading. Don't keep changing your strategy per trade. Trade in sample sizes, right? This is something that I learned from Mark Douglas. Is trading in sample sizes, like trading take 10 trades at a time or 20 trades at a time, and then review all those trades, see what can be tweaked, see what can be changed, and then take another 20 trades or like another 10 trades. and give yourself time. Give yourself time, man. I'm hearing so many stories of people that take 5 years to figure this thing out, right? So it takes a lot, man. It really does. As a new and developing beginner, day trader, scalper, whatever, swing trader, hey, there's success in it. There's somebody doing exactly what you want to do in this market, and they are having success with it. So run your race. Run your race. Take your time. Be patient. Stay disciplined. And I promise you, you and I both, we're going to get the results we want and deserve. I am Royal Ward. God bless you. If you made it this far to the video, say success in 2025. Comment success in 2025 if you made it to the end of this video. Keep learning, man. Keep growing. I believe so many people are going to be millionaires in 2025 from this skill set of trading. I'm also investing, so subscribe if you want to see what stocks I'm picking, what stocks I'm buying. And we just keep, I'll keep learning, I keep growing, and I keep moving forward. All right, that's what Royal's Mindset is all about. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.